Making s'mores bars using 1 cup golden grams, 1 cup marshmallows. In a separate bowl, adding 2 cups chocolate chips and melting in 30-second intervals in the microwave at 50% power until nice and melted like so. Then pour the melted chocolate in your golden grams and marshmallows. And mix together till you have a nice even coat. Pour out on a tray or parchment paper. And spread out evenly. And if you want to enjoy these a little sooner rather than later, you can stick them in the fridge for a couple hours. And then they'll be ready to cut up and enjoy.